today, which
Yeah.
is good. Okay. Breathe in and out. Breathe.
Oh.
Was it nice?
Yeah, that felt good.
Breathe in and out. Breathe. Okay. Relax, release your legs. Definitely, your joints movements are better than the last time. Breathe in and out. One more and out. Another breathe in and out. Breathe. Release your muscles here on your hip. Good. You okay?
Yeah.
More stiff than the other side. Release your muscles. Good. One more time. Relax. Perfect. Is it hurting around here when I touch?
Yeah.
When I take my hands off, is it still hurting or is
A little bit.
okay? Could you turn on your back then?
Yeah. I'll stand here and get this. This is going to be fun.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Relax. Let's check first. Sit it there. The right side is more tense. Release. Breathe in and out. Release your muscles. Release. Release. Good.
Oh, please tell me you got that.
Release. Release. Relax. Breathe in and out. Do you feel better?
Yeah. Oh,
Your shoulder is moving better.
normally I can crack my shoulders by myself. That's why they feel a lot less, and they should. Because I actually know how to crack them by myself. Because I've looked up videos and stuff. How to crack certain things. So I just keep moving it until it just pops out.
I wouldn't recommend you to do it too much.
Yeah.
It
Have
will
you
be-
ever cracked someone's ear?
No, you are good at this. Well done. You're better than me on that. Good. Good.
I know chiropractors use that method with
Yes.
just pulling the finger instead of actually pulling it downwards because it can break it.
Yes. It's not because we can break it. It's because being more gentle.
Gentle, yeah.
You don't need to do
Like really hard and
movements.
yeah.
No need.
It has to be just soft.
Yeah, because when you do this gently, see? No need to be hard with yourself. Okay? It's done.